taking my dogs for a walk, and let me see my light. Hey, baby. Oh my gosh, hold on. Like this water leak started happening. And it looks like it's coming out through like the cement. Yes, I'm taking you for a walk. And it's very cold. I just walked up the street and I just see coming back up, and it's a big massive leak. It's coming, it appears to be coming from inside the, and why is it not coming through? Inside the cement. I thought this was it, but okay, this looks like the lake, right? But it's excessively streaming out. Whoa, I gotta find the I don't know, the water company. Wow, it's like, this isn't excessive. So I was thinking it was the houses on the other side. That happened to me once. Ooh. There's something going on under there. I gotta go back and find out about, I guess I can Google it or Gemini it. Let's see about where, which water company this is. I gotta walk up the end of the street and get the name of the streets. I don't even know them. Hopefully it just stops on its own. Let me go. I'm gonna walk up. I mean, it's cold. It's January, like winter months, but it's not cold enough to make, for things to freeze over. Yeah, there's no, what do you call it, smoke when I breathe, steam. And it's probably like, I think it was 11 o'clock when I left. I like coming out when it's later at night, just so the dogs can run freely. Because, I have Huskies and Gerbaren Shepskys. They're high energy dogs. Especially my Husky. He's a daddy. He's a daddy to these 3 Gerbaren Shepskys. And so we're at my daughter's house right now, and she has a backyard. It's not very big. Oh, I hear more water. Dang, I hear water running, but I don't see a leakage. Oh, dang. Okay. What is going on? Okay, I thought there would be water coming out of there. There's some water, but definitely not like the other ones. Wow, this is like a big leak line. Whoa, it's just strange. You can't see anything, but I wonder what happened. There's water. Raggy, drag it up. Ragnarök. Stop it. Calm down. Oh, jeez. Please sleep with me. Stop it, Raggy. Raggy, calm down. Oh, he's being an idiot. Ragnarök. God dang it, I want to step on his. Oh my god, he's being an idiot. Ragnarök. Stop it. Oh. I thought that's going to do with the main line. Gosh, I'm trying to figure this out. I got this dummy just being a big bully. Ragnarök. Ooh, red chicken. They're getting wet. Raggy. What's wrong with my thing? I'm on like close up. He's being a big jerk. Okay, auto up the Zam. Okay. Dang, it goes far. Okay. I'm gonna call the water company. See what's up, because it's crazy. Girls. Your dad gets you guys so hyper and it's too cold to be getting all that. Oh my gosh. I don't like to walk them in the neighborhoods though. Off leash. Gosh, you should be so rough. Come on. Ragnarök. Girls, you don't need to be a jerk too. Raggy, knock it off. God, why are you such a jerk? They hang by me. When they hang by me, I can't walk. They get like in my way. Man. It really sucks walking alone all the time. I mean, the dogs are protection, but it'd be so cool, like, there's like a creek right there to walk down it. In the daytime, maybe. At nighttime, it's scary. Because they'll spot homeless people for sure. Or just anybody. What'd you do? Get out of there. Yucky, girl. Ay. I just want them to get tired. Last night, once they came in, I was out for an hour walking them. And they came in and boom, they fell asleep right away. Man, this water leak. It's really gonna cut down my walking time with them today. Yesterday I had gloves. Damn. Today I don't. My hands are frozen. Darn it. Well, I'm gonna go find out the water company. And I want them to dry. I don't want them coming in the house wet. Damn. But how are they gonna dry when it's so cold? Darn it. High energy dogs, it's a lot to deal with. They can't help it too. wound up. It's like they got this so much energy to burn off. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back. I don't remember the road's name again. Okay. The puppies probably are all, they have enough exercise. Ragnar, not so much. It sucks. I miss my car. Oh, my car. I left it in my daughter's house when I was at the beach for over a month. And it was pounded by the police. I didn't even find out right away. So I lost everything inside of it. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm thinking, I mean, I'm going to walk back just so I can get a little bit more walking in. Well, my daughter wants me to stay. Oh my god, my hair's a mess. My daughter wants me to stay and live here. It's kind of flattering because I'm an asset. And for the longest time, I don't know. I just wasn't. I don't know. It could be me, but I don't know. I just felt like I was a burden, and I hate that feeling. And I thought, okay, well, dang, there's I can hear the water under the road. I'm worried too. What if there's a big pipeline explosion? I don't know if that happens. Damn. What is that? Oh, more water. I don't know. In the news, I've seen gas explosions where whoosh, it shoots out water, not water, but gas, I guess, explodes. Oh, it stopped. Oh my god. Okay, great. Oh, that's a relief. Oh, my flash isn't even on. I'm not even looking through the screen. Okay, this is where I was earlier. Oh, that's good to know. Okay, it stopped. Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm so glad it all stopped. I mean, there's a lake above, but at the top of it, it's nothing like what this was. This was scary. All right. It completely stopped. Wow. Yeah, that's the end of it. Good to know. Gosh. Oh my goodness. It's just a little line, a little leak, I mean. I there's any notice, like if there's a big water leak at the city, if the water company, if they notice sensors to notice the water just gushing out. I wonder. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get these guys dry. It's just strange. My days just go by so fast. And I don't know. I gotta start really planning out my life. My daughter made some good points. Like the kids are growing fast, which they are. And I've missed my grandkids, they grew up in my house. They grew up with me. And after, wow. It sounds like a big commotion under the sidewalk, but no, water's coming out. Oh, there's sprinklers. Water's coming out through the cracks. Okay, there's sprinklers. Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where my Husky went. There he is. He took off down the road. I'm not even thinking straight. It's too damn cold. I gotta get a better exercise routine. High energy jogs, damn. I need a car is what I need. What I need is my house back. And I gotta start fighting that. Gosh darn it. And Arthur's not here to distract me. And I'm busy with my grandkids, but not totally busy. I've been here for a week now. Gosh, it's really hard when it's, I don't know, I have to, I don't know. Why is it wet right here? Oh no, that's right, my son-in-law was, he was washing, high pressure washing the carpet. I started cleaning it yesterday, and he got a high pressure machine. Oh, that's the rug in my daughter's house. Good job. I'm so glad she's got a good husband. He loves her and the kids. Oh man, I gotta decide what I'm gonna do with my life. I didn't want to come back and live with my kids. I feel like a burden. Let me see. And see, they have little dogs, and my dogs are just so not cool. I don't like all this commotion with the baby dogs. Oh my god, these guys are wet. I don't know what to do with them. As long as they stay out here, they're just gonna get more wet. But it's late. I gotta get to bed. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do.